What are you doing there? Ah, you're resting there? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did I bother you? Huh? Handsome? Did I bother you? I want you to put back in your cage. Come on, let's go. Oh, I open your electric fan there. Because I know the aircon is not enough for you. You still feel hot. Oh, you stay there. Just wait, I open your electric fan, okay? Good boy? Ah, good boy. Good boy. Ito yung kanyang electric fan, oh. Open natin. Kasi naka-aircon naman na sila, kaso hindi siya masyadong abot dito sa kanya. Kaya kailangan may electric fan din siya. Ayan, para sa kanya talaga yan. Napunta dun. Ah. Stay there na. Okay? Good boy. Handsome. Pogi. Pogi. Okay, pogi. Pogi. Here. Here. Bye-bye. I close it, ah. Tomorrow again. Bye.